Next, we're going to take a look at the TagniFi company search. So all of the searching is done through the TagniFi Console. This can be accessed at TagniFi.com in a browser, or you can get here from your Excel plugin under TagniFi Search Companies. So from here, basically all we need to do is start adding filters. What it's going to do is add those filters and apply it to this list. Currently, you can see we have about 7,500 companies under coverage. This includes all active and inactive companies that we have data on, as well as we're adding to this list every day. So as new companies come out, whether it be through IPO or spin-offs, we'll have those added to coverage automatically. So to search this list, basically you just hit Add Filter, and it's going to pull up a screen where we can start adding criteria to search on. So we can choose from these 4 different categories: company profile, financial, valuation, or IPO information. And so from the company profile, say we wanted to maybe search by keyword. The keyword search, this is going to actually search every description that we have. So all 7,500 descriptions, it's going to search through for these keywords. As an example, maybe we want to find companies that have or are involved in like the drink business. So maybe, coffee. We were looking for maybe coffee, so we'll add that. And then separated by a comma, we're going to add soda, and then followed by drink. So what this is going to do is it's going to search for coffee, soda, or drink. So the comma gives you the option to add multiple keywords, and it's going to search for all of these under the OR format. So we're going to hit apply, and it's going to narrow that list down. It found 123 companies now that have drink, soda, or coffee in the description. From here, you can see, some of these have some, for example, soda. I think soda shows up here under Union Pacific. Obviously, Union Pacific's not a drink company. So if we wanted to add another filter, we're going to just add, say, like the TagniFi Industrial Classification System. This is our own industry classification system. So we can go in and actually select the sector, industry, or segment. So we'll drill down into manufacturing, food, beverage, and tobacco, and maybe we want specifically non-alcoholic beverages as comps. And so we can select that. It adds that to there. We can select multiple if we wanted to, but for this example, we're just going to do the one. Hit apply, and it's going to apply that segment now as an additional filter. And now you can see we're down to about 25 companies. And so these appear to be all, as they should be, beverage companies. And so from these 25 companies now, we can do a few things. We can edit the layout here. So if maybe there's some data that you want to see in these search results that's not showing up. To do that, we can hit Edit Columns up here in the upper right-hand corner, and it's going to pull up a list of all of the different data that we can add. So we can again choose financial data, valuation data, contact data. With this example, let's just choose auditor. So maybe we want to see like who the auditor for each of these companies is. We're going to add that to the list. Hit apply. And now you can see we have the auditor listed over here in this right column. So it's really easy to add different data and different columns to the search results if you wanted to sort or just see what data is available for these companies. From here, if you wanted to use these as comps, maybe you wanted to use like the first 4 companies here as comps. All we're going to do is just highlight those 4 companies. They will turn blue, meaning they're selected. And once they're selected, you can just hit Copy Tickers over here in the upper right-hand corner. What that's going to do is copy these 4 ticker symbols to the clipboard, and then now we can just paste these ticker symbols right into our Excel models, and that data is going to come in automatically for these 4 companies. So that's how you can copy the ticker symbols. If you wanted to export the results here, select the companies that you wanted to see in the CSV file, hit CSV, and you can see it's going to download that file down here. So there's your CSV download of the search results for these 4 companies, and basically you can just open that right there. So that's how you can export to CSV. And then if you wanted to get into more detail on any of these companies, you can just click into it, and it's going to take you to their profile page. So from this profile page, really it's all the information we have on a company. So you can see the description, industry classifications, which you can also click on to go to that specific list, market update, link to their website, as well as company competitors. So if you know of a company that maybe you're looking for additional comps or competitors for a company, just pull up their profile page. It'll list who we're showing as comps for that company. We show their valuation information, financial information, recent filings, any news we have on the company, as well as acquisitions and analyst estimates and recommendations. So really everything we have on a company all on one page makes it super easy to get to and review, see if it's going to be a good comp for your analysis.